What's up, online shoppers? I know why you're here. You are tired of overstuffed bags, wrinkled clothes, and not having enough room for everything you want to fit in your suitcase. Or maybe you're here because you have clothes to pack away at the end of a season and you want an efficient, dust-free way to keep them stored and ready for the next time. And full confession, I used to be that kind of traveler who would sit on my suitcase to get it to zip closed. Until I was gifted this awesome little pump from Vacbird. Now this pack comes with 3 different size bags. You get 3 of each size. This one here is their largest bag, and I love this for storing my seasonal coats. Puffer jackets, things that take up a lot of space, great for that. This next size down here is a rectangular shape for pants. Think jeans and things like that. And this last size is their smaller size, a little bit more square, less rectangular, great for shirts and sweaters. They're completely reusable. Vacuum seal here, and they come with a package of clips. After you have put your articles of clothing inside of the vacuum bag, you can put this on the outside here and slide it along the edge to make sure that things seal. So let's do that right now. I've got my nice big pillow here. Tuck everything in. Use the clip to help form a good solid seal along here. Clip can come off. Now we're going to take off the lid here, push this down over top, and start it up. Now you can hear it going. How satisfying is that? You can help it if you want to. Now, as soon as I'm done, close the lid to help keep it secure. And look at how flat my pillow is now. It really only took about 15 seconds to compress this pillow and suck all the air out of this bag. Such a game changer for travel or for clothes storage. I love putting my seasonal clothes in these, sliding them under my bed so that I have more room in my drawers for whatever the season is, whether it's winter, summer, spring, fall. Vacuum pack my clothes to get them to fit in the suitcase really nice. Bring this little pump that weighs less than a pound, and then even if midway through the trip I have to open up my suitcase and take something out, I still have this handy little pump to seal everything up and let it go back to flat again. So if you travel often, hate overpacking, need to fit more in your carry-on, want a clean cordless system that is easy to use and reusable and super durable with great construction, nice little rechargeable pump that takes only 2 hours to charge, and then it's great for tons of vacuum sealing. This is definitely an amazing system to invest in. This one here from Vacbird, definitely a family favorite at my house.